So patient asks, doctor, what we expect after total hip replacements? So let me tell our audience that total hip replacement is one of most satisfying surgeries in terms of reducing the pain, in terms of improving the functions, in terms of making the limbs equal. This is one of most satisfying surgery. Outcomes are excellent. So I would certainly recommend a patient to undergo total hip replacement. They are indicated. And only one word of caution we give to the patients, that this implant we want to last longer. For that we need to restrict some activities. One of activities is a running, jogging, sitting cross-legged or squatting postures. So these postures takes a lot of stress over the artificial implant and their survivalship is reduced. So we advise patient not to do these activities lifelong. Second risk which is associated with this kind of activities, especially the squatting postures or sitting cross-legged, is the chances of dislocations. So degree of freedom of movements in this position is almost at the borderline where it can dislocate. So to prevent this complication also, we advise patient not to do this kind of activities. If these are done and precautions are taken, exercise done properly, this is one of most satisfying surgery where the quality of life is dramatically changed for a good thing. We care about you. Thank you.